Hello everyone, welcome back to Random Techno Video. मैं हूँ फारूक and today I'm gonna unbox this beautiful device which is Canon DSLR EOS 1300D. Well, I got this product from Amazon in a price of rupees 32,990 with a dual kit lens. One is 18 to 55 mm and the other is 55 to 250 mm. And this device has got Wi-Fi and NFC inbuilt in it, which is pretty good feature that Canon has provided, and you are getting a 16 GB card inside in it. So without wasting any time, so let's get started. Well, sorry for the inconvenience, I've already opened it before, but for you guys today I'm reopening it. So I hope you guys will like this video. So this is how the packaging looks like. Well, these are some warranty cards and some vouchers and all. I don't think it's necessary to read. Well, this is the strap that Canon has provided with a Canon branding. So this is the battery charger. This is the battery slot. The build quality is pretty much awesome. Well, this is the memory card. I think it's 16 GB. Yeah, and the company is Sandisk. Yeah, Sandisk is a very good company, I heard. And this is the battery with a Canon branding. Yeah, this is for charging. This is the charging cable. Well, this is the interface cable. You can connect your computer or laptop to your DSLR for transferring photos or anything you can So this is the main thing. Whoa, this is the beauty. This is the beauty. Canon. It's 18 megapixel. This is the tripod mount port, and this is the battery slot. This is the battery slot, and this is the, I think, memory card slot. Yeah. So in this way you can insert your battery, and let me show you how to insert your memory card. See, there is a sign like this for memory card. So in this way, in this position, you need to insert your memory card. See, just push it here, finish, just lock it. Well, I'll come to this part a bit later. Let's first see our kit lens. So this is the basic default kit lens, which is 18 to 55 mm, I think. Yeah, see, 18 to 55 mm. You can take macro shots also, which is 0.25 m/0.8 feet, and you have got image stabilizer also. So this is the autofocus and manual focus mode. This is the cover of the lens. In this way, you have to open it. This was 18 to 55, and the bigger part is this. This is 55 to 250 mm lens. You can capture a detailed shot. I think for beginners this DSLR is worth it, and I am a beginner as well, so that's why I have bought this Canon 1300D. This is the entry level DSLR for most of the new YouTubers. So this is 55 to 250 mm lens. See, 55 to 250 mm. See, it's under manual focus, that's why you can rotate it. But if you turn it into a autofocus, it won't. It will, but there is a chances of being damaged lens. So I prefer to shoot into manual focus only. And this is the stabilizer on off button. Well, this is the macro 1.1 meter slash 3.6 feet. So let me show you how to fit the lens in this beautiful Canon DSLR. So this is how you will open your cover. So this is the mirror. Make sure no dust gets into this mirror. So in this way you have to open it. So this is the cover. Just make sure. See this white dot, and here also you will see one white dot. Yeah, this one. Just match according to that and just put it here and just rotate it. That's it. Finish. It's very easy and it's very handy as well, because the quality of this DSLR is pretty good. This is plastic, but the material is very hard, and this is rubbery texture. You can hold it from one hand only in this way. So let me show you. This is the viewfinder. For if you are a new to DSLR, I think you should go into this viewfinder only. So these are the different modes. This is A+ mode, intelligent mode. Then this is CA mode for taking blurry bokeh effects and all. This is portrait effect. There are many other modes. Well, I will give the in-depth review and modes, different modes in further videos. Today I am just giving you the basic detail of this camera. This is the shutter button by which you can click your pictures and all. This is the flash button. This is on off button. Well, here are the ports. This is the HDMI port. This is the USB for the interface one. Here it's written EOS 1300D. So let me show you. In this way you have to open your lens cover, but be careful. So see, this is the creative photo. Let me show you in manual mode. So this is the manual mode. So if you want to take pictures, then yeah, see. It's very much detailed. So I have turned it into autofocus mode. You can also turn it into a manual focus mode. It depends on you as per your convenience. So these are the different modes. Video mode is also there. If you want to create video mode, then yeah, this is one new option, food. I'm showing you one more macro example, the bokeh effect. So this is the CA mode, creative photo. So just see. The quality is pretty good. It's pretty good. It's in detailed. So this was the 18 to 55 mm lens. So to detach this lens, you just need to press over here and just slightly rotate in this way. That's it. It's very simple. So now I will show you the 55 to 250 mm lens as well. So here also same thing, the white dot, and here is also the white dot. Just match it and just rotate over it. Finish. So this was the 55 to 250 mm lens, 55 to 250 mm with a image stabilizer. Same process, AF, MF, autofocus and manual focus. And I prefer you should always on the stabilizer mode on. Well, with this DSLR you are getting a bag as well for the DSLR, and the bag quality is pretty good. It's very rough and tough. Quality is very good. Well, with this DSLR, the standard ISO is 100 to 6400, but it is expandable up to 12800 ISO. So it's pretty good feature in this DSLR, as it is a entry level for new YouTubers or for new photographers. As I am also a new YouTuber, so that's why I bought this camera. Hope I can click some good videos and good pictures. Well, that's it for today. I hope you guys like this video, and if you guys like this video, please do subscribe, share and hit the like button. Take care guys. Bye bye. Jai Hind. Vande Mataram.